guys, Kenzie here. I'm super excited. Today we're going to be shaving half of my face and waxing half of my face. So on the left side, we're going to be doing my gel razor. Love, you guys know I'm obsessed with it. And then on the right side, we're going to be using these wax strips. So I'm gonna show you guys the difference. And yeah, I think it's gonna be super awesome. So stay tuned. That way you guys can easily see both sides of my face whenever we do this. Let's go ahead and just jump right in and start with the wax strip. I'm a little nervous about this one. It says you have to warm it in between your hands. And we're going to start with this side of my lip. Here we go. Oh, you guys, I'm so nervous. Put it on there and then you guys, that was insanely painful. Okay, look at that. Okay, we're gonna give that wax strip a break and we're going to go in with my gel razor. As always, you want to have some kind of like lubricant. And this is just some aloe vera gel. This is just, if you were to shave your legs, you'd put shaving cream on. So this is something you'd always want to put on before you shave your face. And get my little handy dandy gel razor here. Give that a second to dry. Oh, you guys, it is already turning red. It is, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually on fire. But we're gonna go to this side of my face where it's definitely gonna be less painful. But you just basically want to always shave it downwards at a 90-degree angle, and then also, a little makeup on that. Make sure that you're going in the direction of the hair growth, and then always keep your skin a little tight. So let's get started. Okay, so there you can kind of see a little bit of the hair that came off. Oh, that's so cool. And a lot less painful. I will go ahead and just throw that out there too. That is a lot less painful. But we'll go ahead and go over here and do above my brow. There's that. Clean up my brows a little bit. And you can see too, I've already got some peach fuzz here. So then we're gonna go in with our bigger blade and do on that side as well. Okay, so I took the line off so it wasn't too distracting. You guys can see this is the side that I did with the wax strip. This is the side that I did with the gel razor. And 100% honest, the wax side is still very sticky and it feels super irritated. And the gel side, it feels like completely smooth and a lot less painful, I will add. I'll go ahead and just do the forehead real quick. Remember, on this side is where we're doing our gel razor, which, if you can't tell, this side is very irritated at the moment. So we're giving that a little break. But always love doing my forehead because I feel like people forget to do it, but it is like super important to do. There's peach fuzz up there even if it doesn't quite show all the way. You guys, this is so cool. You can see how that came off. That's just from like this area right here. You guys, I'm not even kidding, that wax strip still burns. So now we're going to do just kind of the top. I don't have a ton up there, but we can just do a little bit of cleanup. So let's try it. I'm gonna warm it up first. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous about this. Oh, this is scary. And that's the best part about the gel too, is that you can literally take it with you anywhere and there's not gonna be like a bunch of crazy stuff that happens to your skin afterwards like this, because right now my skin is on fire. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna do this so you can kind of see where the wax is. Do not recommend though. Ouch. You guys, I don't even know if it brought up any hair. There's like no hair on that. Oh. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and finish shaving the rest of my face using my gel razor and we'll go from there. Oh, you guys, I have peach fuzz falling everywhere, but it feels so good to get off my face too. You guys can see that. And you guys can already see too, this is, I literally don't have anything else on my face, but I already kind of have like this glow starting from where I initially shaved with my gel razor, which is my favorite part, is after you shave, you just have this like, this glow and it just feels amazing. And your skincare products, just, they sit so much better and they work so much better with your skin. So in conclusion, you guys have clearly seen my face still hurts from the wax strips, but 100% always use a gel razor. It is just so much safer for your skin and better for makeup application, skincare penetration. There's just like tons of benefits. Don't recommend buying the wax strips, like just don't do it. But if you guys have any questions, drop them below and don't forget to subscribe.